Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a Bridgeport head only. It's a step pulley, and the guy before me didn't have three-phase, so we mounted a 2 horsepower single phase motor. It's currently wired for 230 volts. Put a magnetic starter on it and a drum switch for forward and reverse. It's 8-speed. They go from 80 to 2,720. Can still loosen the motor mount and swing it motor forward so you can change the belt easier. Power feed on the quill, R8 spindle. So I've got it in forward right now, forward for direct drive. We'll put it in back gear. And now we're going 80 RPM. So if you don't have three-phase or you don't want to mess with the phase converter, this would be a good mill head for you. Thanks for looking.